Let me take a multiplication problem where my question says a book contains a book contains 329 pages. Each page contains 27 lines, and each line contains 45 letters. Then the question is, how many letters are there in the whole book? Right? Let us read the question once again. The book contains 329 pages. Each page contains 27 lines, and each line contains 45 letters. Then in that book, how many total number of letters are there? Now try to see this step by step. Book contains 329 pages. Now one page contains 27 lines, while one line contains 45 letters. So let us begin from the last information that they have given us. That means one line contains 45 letters. How many lines do we have in that book? 27 lines. Therefore, 27 lines contain how many letters? Obviously much higher number of letters. That means we have to multiply 45 with 27. So I should write here 45 into 27 letters. What will that be? Equal to, let me do the multiplication in the rough area. That means 45 into 27. 5 sevens are 35. I have 3. 4 sevens are 28 plus 3, that is 29, 30, 31. Then 45 into 20, that's why 0 will come first, and then multiply 45 with 2. So 5 2s are 10. I have 1 at hand. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 is 9. Then add this to row. 5 plus 0 5, 1 plus 0 1, 9 plus 3 will give you 11. No, 9, 10, 11, 12, sorry. 9 plus 3 will give you 12. So what number of letters you get? 1215 letters. You have found that 1215 letters are there in the 27 lines. Now see, next information, what do they give? They are saying that each page contains 27 lines. Then 329 pages will contain how many lines? You need to find out that information. Let me find it in with different color. They are saying one page contain 27 lines. Therefore, they have how many number of pages? 329 pages. Therefore, 329 pages contain obviously much larger number of lines. That means we have to multiply 329 into 27 lines. Let's do this multiplication here. 329 into 27. First multiply 7 with 329. 7 nines are 63. I have 6. 7 twos are 14 plus 6 will give me 20. So 0 here. I have 2. 3 sevens are 21 plus 2. That will give me 22, 23. Sorry, not this line. Next, 329 into 20. So I write 0 here first, then multiply 329 with 2. So 9 twos are 18. I have 1 at hand. 2 twos are 4 plus 1 is 5. Then 3 twos are 6. 3, then I add this to row. 3 plus 0, 3. 0 plus 8, 8. 3 plus 5 is 8. 2 plus 6 is also 8. So what do I get the multiplication? I get 8, 8, 8, 3 lines. Check that in the first calculation. What did we find out? We found 27 lines contain 1215 letters, and we have 8883 lines in total in that whole book. So if 27 lines contains 1215 lines, then how much will be contained in 8883 lines? Just a minute. We can do two things. Since we have, okay, let us get it this way. Let's cut this off. We don't need this step first. We can directly start from here. One page contains 27 lines. Therefore, 329 pages will contain much higher number of lines. That's why 329 into 27 lines we have got, and we have got 8883 lines. Now see that one line contains 45 letters. Therefore, 8883 lines will contain how many number of letters? Since one line contains 45 letters, therefore 8883 lines will contain much higher number of letters. That means 8883 into 45 letters, and we have to find the product of these two numbers. So let's do that in the rough area. We have 8, 8, 8, 3 into 45. First multiply with 5. So 3 5s are 15. We have 1 at hand. 5 8s are 40. Plus 1 will give you 41. And we have 4 at hand. Again 5 8s are 40. Plus 4 will give you 44. 4 here and 4 at hand. Again 5 8s are 40. Plus 4 will give you 44. That's my first line. Next I multiply 8883 with 40. So that 0 will come here first, and then I can multiply 8883 with just 4. So 4 3s are 12. I have 1 at hand. 8 4s are 32 plus 1 is 33. I have 3 at hand. Again 8 4s are 32 plus 3 will give me 33, 34, 35. I have 3 at hand. And again 8 4s are 32 plus 3 will give me 35. When we have this kind of bigger numbers in multiplication, we need to do this very carefully so that we don't make any mistakes in the steps. And then we add this to row, that is 5. 1 plus 2 is 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 plus 5 is 9. 4 plus 5 is 9 and 3. So my answer here will be 3 9 9 7 3 5. These numbers of letters I have in the whole book. So this is my answer.